In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox failed to load library SensAPI. Now, there are two methods that I'm going to show you. If the first one doesn't work for you, the second one definitely will work. So the first method is opening up your computer search, and here I want you to search for settings. So right here in the settings, we want to left click on it and this should open up. Now where it says find a setting, we want to search for date and time. So this should pop up, date and time. So sometimes you get this error because your date and time don't match your PCs with your region. So right here, we want to make sure this is checked, set time automatically, like so. And then another thing that we need to do is synchronize our clock. So click on here, sync now, and it will sync automatically. So if that doesn't work for you, this is the second method. So the second method is opening up this website, dll-files.com, and you want to search for SensAPI. So click on or press enter, sorry. So this should pop up, only one file. You want to click on it. And then right here, you want to find the version for your Windows. So for me, it is 64-bit. So I'm going to download this. It will start in 2 seconds. So just give it some time. Okay. And now we can open up the folder where this is located. So this should be a WinRAR file. So you want to right click anywhere and create a new folder. I'm going to call it SensAPI. It doesn't matter what you call it, but I'm just going to drag this, drop it right here, open up the folder, and then right click and extract. So you should get this SensAPI.dll. So we want to right click on it and copy. So the next step is opening up our computer like so. We can close out of this and going to our C drive. Now from here, we want to navigate to Windows, click on any folder and type S. So we find System32, like so. Open up this folder, and right here, we want to right click and paste this file. So as you can see, I already have this file, so I'm not going to replace it. I'm just going to skip over it, but you need to right click and paste the file. So after you have done this, all you gotta do is restart your PC like so, and then this will definitely fix your error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.